The next tool is the pen tool, pencil tool. If you click on that, you can see we have pencil tool, paintbrush tool, and knife tool. In the pencil tool, you can draw with hand drawing. Okay, we have some setting here. From here, you can change the color of your stroke to draw. You can see you can draw by hand. And this smoothness is 100%. You can make it lower, and you can see anything that you draw with hand. You can draw anything. But if you increase the number of the smoothness, you can see if you draw something like this, automatically smooth it for you. Okay, you can see automatically. That's, I like it to make it at the top 100%. And here you can increase or decrease of the stroke size. Here it's the stroke setting. You learn it. You can draw something like this if you need, or anything. I explained it before. Another thing here is, sorry for that, we're going to the line. Another thing is a sculpt mode. You can see if you draw something like this, and if you want to draw, for example, in this way, you cannot. Okay, because it's creating new, like this is creating new curve. But if you activate a sculpt mode, something like this, if you draw, you can come here from this point and continue. You can see it delete this part and continue in this way, or continue in this way. Oh, sorry. Make sure that you are in a line or in a point to detect that. Do not create something like this because it does not work. Going to the line and then go with that. Going to the point and then create. This is a sculpt mode. Another interesting feature here is a stabilizer. You can see I drawing exactly at the tip of the pen, and it does not have any guide. You can activate a stabilizer. First is a rubber mode. You can see it's a rubber. You can increase the number of the rubber. You can see it's then rubber. You can see it's smooth, and you can move it in this way, move it in that way, move it in this way. You can see it's regular rubber, and you can increase or decrease your line here. It's a guide that you can create. Another thing is a window mode. The window mode is not rubber. It's you can see it's a simple line that you can create it, but it's not smooth. It's like a piece of the wood, piece of the iron that are connecting in between the tip of the pencil and that plus sign at the end of the line. And you can see it's not like a rubber, it's a steel, and it's just rigid actually. But the rubber, it's like a rope. You can see you can go here, you can go here. It's smooth. You can move anywhere that you want. See? This rubber mode is better. You can turn on or off stroke, and this is an fill tool. Okay, you can see it's automatically create a fill for you. If you want, you can turn it on or off. In its settings, we have close mode. Auto close is off. It's auto close always. You can see if you draw something, automatically closed for that, and you can activate fill. And from here, you can change the fill. Select this, change the fill that you want. Okay, it's also close off. Near, it means if we are going to the near of that, automatically close that. Okay, we don't need to, for example, if you don't want to close that, you can create something like this, and you can turn off use fill. Or if you want just a line, you can turn it off stroke. Just create a simple line. Okay, I don't need to auto close controller. If you have a pen velocity or the pressure, you can use this. You have a tablet for creating that. Velocity, it's based on a speed of your mouse. For example, like this, you can see this is thinner part that at the start, and it's going to fatter at the top, at the end. Based on, you can see it's not changing anything, but because it's a velocity, I going almost faster, it's go fatter at the end. And I don't like that. If you have a tablet, you can activate the pressure to draw. Okay, that's it.